What's up, everybody? Welcome to My Three and Me. So happy you can join us today. Today we are having a car bang. Yes, a car bang, y'all. Let's get this in. I'm hungry. I got a few minutes to be at work, so we're gonna get this quick video in. Okay. Dear Lord God, I thank you for this food that I am about to receive, for the nourishment of my body. For Christ's sake, amen. Okay. So how's everybody doing? I am good. Never better. Well, don't you hate when folks set up? I'm good, never better. I'm sure we've all had great days. So we'll just say, girl, I'm good, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. This is a um double bacon cheeseburger from Sonic. We're gonna have lighting issues all in through this video. I see. It's raining. Well, it was raining outside. Ugh. It was raining outside, but it's still kind of dreary looking. So, yeah. Um, I did want to talk about some stuff today. I want to talk about supporting. Supporting. I thank God for the support that I've had over this last month and a half. Yeah, I thank God for it. But I've noticed everybody always want to, thank their day ones. Don't get me wrong, I thank my day ones too. But I also want to thank new people. You know what I'm saying? New people come every day. Every day. You know what I'm saying? So, um, just because someone, if you started April the 1st and they didn't come till December 29th, and today is March 21st, almost a year. But that one that came December, they've been rocking with you all the way up to now. They're not your day ones, but they are faithful. They are faithful. Some people just got into mukbang, and I don't mean the creators. Oh no, I'm talking about just um just just subscribers in general. You know what I'm saying? Like, I watched a couple. I ain't in no hard feelings, but this did make me feel, you know, a certain type of way. Not for myself necessarily, but because, you know, we all gonna get discovered some kind of way, sometime, by people. You know, they can't help it because they didn't know about you almost a year ago. It's not their fault. You know what I'm saying? It's just not, you know. Are they waiting on me? Yeah. You know, it's just not their fault. So, if, for me, I plan on celebrating loyal. I don't care if you've been here 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 days. You got people, when I find people, I tend to go back and binge watch for a couple. Are they up me? And binge watch. I hope not, because I don't think I'm with them. For a couple of days. I'm else. Oh well. And binge watch. I try to catch um your old stuff. You know what I'm saying? And you got some people who been loyal since day one who don't comment. You got some people that have thousands. And say you got 5,000 subscribers, but you only get 2,000 comments. But your comments wrong. 5,000 subscribers, you get 3,000 views, but you only get 1,000 comments. So that means 1,000 people ain't comment. I don't think they should be discredited. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't want to comment fake stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, for a long time, I'm gonna be honest with you. On my regular account, not this one, but you know the one that come on your phone. You know, on that one, sometimes I commented, sometimes I didn't. On one particular channel, whew, the hate is real in there. So sometimes I would only respond to the hate. You know what I'm saying? Until I realized these people are fueled by our support. So the more you comment, don't talk about her, it's her life, it's her life, you know what I'm saying? It's her food, it's her money, whatever. Then the more they come back with stuff to say. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, and the more you're just one of her followers. Yeah. That's what we're doing. You know? Oh, you're one of her minions. You know what I'm saying? Stupid stuff. Wasn't nobody even talking to you. Why are you responding? Well, dang, wasn't nobody talking to you either, sis. See, I get all into it. But I try now to just be quiet. But I say that to say this. You got people who've been rocking with you since they got on. Maybe not since we got on, but since they got on. So they should be acknowledged too. You know what I'm saying? You can't acknowledge the ones, of course, who are just viewers, who may comment, you know what I'm saying, sporadically. But they still loyal to you too. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not lying. When I was on mine, I very seldom commented. Like, who? Okay. KC Connections. So if you ever watch my channel, I promise. When I tell you, you and Miss C's Corner are my girls. In my head, you guys, you ladies, are my friends. Like, I can see me and you, KC, me and you, Kathy, Miss C's Corner. I literally can see us, especially you, Miss Kathy. I can see us talking. You love the Lord. I love the Lord. So we can have us a good old time then. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying nobody else don't. I'm just saying she puts hers in the forefront as well. You know? Oh, these fries is cold. Ugh. That's why I'm eating. That's why I'm trying to eat them so much. But yeah. And then KC, girl, let me. I look at you and I say, we act so much alike. It's bananas to me. We would click, in my opinion. We would either clash, or we would click. But I believe that we would click because we can giggle, say silly stuff. I can laugh at myself. You know what I'm saying? I can say something funny. Ain't nobody got to laugh. I thought it was funny. But when I was on my just my Google YouTube, okay, account, my name. I hardly ever commented on KC stuff. I did as time got on and I got more used to her and seeing the comments and seeing that she looked at the comments. So I would try to comment more, but I wasn't no commenter. Now, since I've started my channel, I do have to comment more. You know what I'm saying? So I try to get on there and then I be like, ugh, I talk a lot. So, what I'm going to say? I don't know how to spell that. I'm not going to get it across. You know what I'm saying? The way I mean it. And then sometimes I would put everything that I'm feeling. And then the darn comment be 15 pages long. So, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not a commenter because I'm not big on texting either. You know what I'm saying? So it's a little different for me. So that mean I haven't been rocking. Because I've been rocking for a minute. I'm going to like the video immediately. I don't care if the video is a minute, an hour. If I got time, you know what I'm saying, to watch it, I'm going to watch it. If I ain't got time to watch it all, I'm going to watch what I can and then come back. Again, okay. Then, I also watch it on my television. You can't comment on your TV. You can like it, but you can't comment. So, I make sure, and then it's on autoplay. So, I make sure that whatever video come on of anybody, I'm going to like it because I'm going to watch it. Especially if I'm not hidden back and, you know what I'm saying, staying in a certain avenue. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. But, yeah, I just know coming from myself. And I think it's just because I'm new. So, I've been on the other side just recently, So, it's like, I understand. So, I want to recognize everybody who watch only. What's it? I want to recognize those that I want to recognize those who don't comment all the time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I want to recognize on my channel, on their channel. Thank you. You know what I'm saying?